Hi student, last time we start with the second chapter, Science 2 second chapter about a life process, and in that chapter we see 3 points which are related to the respiration, that is a glycolysis, tricarboxylic acid cycle, that is TCA cycle, and electron transfer chain reaction, that is ETC reaction, and the diagram of mitochondria. In that diagram we refer that ATP is adenosine triphosphate energy. But what is it exactly ATP? So in that video we see about the ATP and about the aerobic respiration. So look at here, ATP is a energy currency. It is called as an energy currency. Why it is known as an energy currency? It is a factory of energy. The full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. It is a very energy rich molecule which is formed by triphosphate molecule. See here, this is a diagram of energy currency. These are adenine, then ribose sugar, then these three PPP, that is a phosphate bond, then it is transferred into again adenine, ribose, and these three phosphate bond are breakdown here. One phosphate bond is breakdown. What is the meaning of that? Whenever a first phosphate bond is breakdown here, that means energy is released. This is an inorganic bond, and here energy is released because all these three phosphates are bonded here, but after a reaction the one phosphate bond is get released. That means it is a breakdown. That means energy is get released. So it is a triphosphate molecule. See here, triphosphate molecule with the adenine and ribose. Look at in the diagram, adenine and ribose sugar. Then it contain a nitrogenous compound, that is adenine, pentose, ribose sugar, and 3-phosphate group. See, adenine, ribose, this is adenine, ribose, and pentose. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is pentose sugar, and 3-phosphate bond, that is triphosphate bond. By breaking bond of phosphate group, ATP, that is energy is get released here. See here, by breaking of bond, phosphate bond, energy is released here. So this is about ATP, and that's why it is known as energy currency, because a lot amount of energy is get released here. See, then see here, this is a ATP. This is a battery of ATP, like our mobile battery, charge battery. This is a whole charge battery, and whenever you used up, it is converted into ADP, adenosine diphosphate. Here adenosine triphosphate. Here one molecule is used up, that is adenosine diphosphate, and the batteries get loose here. Batteries slow down here, like a mobile battery, it is slow down. So this is about energy currency, that is ATP is called energy currency. For that, first you have to draw this diagram, adenine, ribose, then this is a pentose sugar, 3-phosphate bond. Whenever the reaction is occurs, this in between 3-phosphate bond, one bond is break up here, see, and energies get released. And about ATP you have to write down, it is an energy rich molecule, triphosphate molecule with the adenine and ribose, contain nitrogenous compound like adenine, pentose, ribose sugar, and 3-phosphate group. By breaking the bond of phosphate group, ATP energies get released, and that's why it is known as energy currency. Then next one is about aerobic respiration of carbohydrate, proteins, and fats. This topic, this point we learn with a wave diagram. See, this is a flow chart or a wave diagram. See, lipids, carbohydrates, and proteins. These are what? These are the main component in our diet. That is lipids, carbohydrates, and proteins. After digestion, lipid is get converted into fatty acid. Proteins get converted into amino acid. What is the exact meaning of that? Lipid, carbohydrates, and proteins are complex material, and after digestion they converted into simple material, that is soluble material, that is fatty acid. Then protein is get converted into amino acid after digestion, and carbohydrates is split up into glycolysis process. Then by this glycolysis we get pyruvic acid. From pyruvic acid we get acetyl coenzyme A, and this is a whole Krebs cycle because it is invented, shown by a Krebs scientist. That's why it is known as a Krebs cycle. And in that cycle, carbon dioxide, water, and energy is get released. So Krebs cycle is nothing but what? TCA cycle, tricarboxylic acid cycle. In that cycle, carbon dioxide, water, and energy is get released. So this is a flow chart or a wave diagram for aerobic respiration of carbohydrate, proteins, and fats. So I repeat again here. See, these are your main component in food diet, that is lipid, carbohydrates, and proteins. Lipids is nothing but fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. After the digestion, lipid is converted into fatty acid, proteins is converted into amino acid, and carbohydrate under glycolysis split up to form a pyruvic acid, then acetyl coenzyme A, and this is a whole Krebs cycle. And in that cycle, carbon dioxide, water, and energies get released. See, acetyl coenzyme is also we get from fatty acid and amino acid. So this is a flow chart or a wave for aerobic respiration. Next one is anaerobic respiration. In anaerobic respiration, last time we see that without oxygen it occurs. So first one, glucose, it is your foodstuff. Under oxidation, glycolysis occurs. Then in glycolysis process, pyruvic acid is formed. Then pyruvic acid under fermentation. See, fermentation. First we get alcohol and yeast. Yeast is used for making a bread and all this. So this is alcohol and yeast we get from fermentation here. Here we get a different products like vinegar and vitamins, and these products used by various microbes. And here by fermentation we get a lactic acid which used up in muscle cell. So this is your anaerobic respiration wave or flow chart for a anaerobic respiration. See again, glucose is your normal foodstuff. It get oxidized by the process of glycolysis. Then you get pyruvic acid. All three are the pyruvic acid. See here. Then in first step, pyruvic acid fermented. That is fermentation processes take place here. So in first step we get alcohol and yeast. Then next one is different product we get, that is vinegar, vitamins, etc. Here by fermentation we get a lactic acid which is used up in a muscle cells. Then this vinegar, vitamin used by various microbes, and alcohol and yeast also we get from the fermentation. But in that wave a particular word is used up again and again, that is fermentation. So what is fermentation exactly? See here, fermentation. Pyruvic acid, see this one, pyruvic acid produced through a glycolysis. See here, pyruvic acid is produced under the process of glycolysis, is converted into other organic acid or alcohol with the help of enzymes. Enzymes is what? Enzymes is a substance which help to carry out the different process easily. So these are the enzymes. So what is the fermentation again? Pyruvic acid produced through a glycolysis. See here, pyruvic acid is produced under the process of glycolysis, is converted into different organic material, acids or alcohol with the help of enzymes. So this is about fermentation. Then where this anaerobic respiration is take place? When this anaerobic respiration is take place, whenever there is a depletion of oxygen in the surrounding. Whenever there is a depletion of oxygen in the surrounding, anaerobic respiration is take place. The example is muscle cell. During the exercise in the muscle cells, lactic acid is stored and in the exercise, the muscle cells stored the lactic acid, and lactic acid is produced in anaerobic respiration. Then the second example is seeds submerged under the water during the germination. So these are the two examples of anaerobic respiration. So in that topic we see here ATP is an energy currency, their diagram, then aerobic respiration of carbohydrate, proteins and fats, their flow chart, anaerobic respiration flow chart, then what is a fermentation, and the example of anaerobic respiration. Thank you.